Looking for a dependable N95 mask that offers both protection and comfort? This NIOSH-approved mask, proudly made in the USA, delivers just that. Whether you're sanding, grinding, welding, or working around drywall and fiberglass insulation, it's designed to keep you safe without compromising on breathability or fit. What sets this mask apart is its electrostatic non-woven polypropylene polyester fibers that make breathing easier while maintaining effective filtration. The hypoallergenic, latex-free design means you won't have to worry about skin irritation, even during long shifts. Plus, the rigid outer shell prevents the mask from collapsing in moist or humid conditions, so you can focus on your work without distraction. Fit matters, especially when it comes to respiratory protection. This mask is crafted to suit most face shapes and sizes, featuring dual welded head straps that provide a secure seal without pulling or tangling hair. The woven strap construction adds durability, so you won't have to worry about breakage mid-shift. A molded nose bridge reduces the need for constant adjustments and works well with most eyewear, including safety glasses. Comfort is key when wearing a mask for extended periods. This lightweight mask reduces fatigue and features a soft inner lining that hugs your face gently. Its form-fitted design contours to your facial structure, minimizing pressure points and ensuring you can wear it comfortably through long workdays. If you're serious about reliable protection that doesn't sacrifice comfort, this NIOSH-approved N95 mask is worth a look. Made in the USA with quality materials and thoughtful design, it's built to support your safety and productivity on the job. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your work gear. Ready to experience breathable, secure, and long-lasting protection? Choose this American-made N95 mask and feel the difference in comfort and fit. It's designed to meet your needs on the job, because what you wear matters.